MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. This doesn't mean that I'm, gonna pop up here and start trading left and right with MLGO, because this is clearly going down with a 10% correction. Look, I'm the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. And especially with MLGO, unless I see like a shift, a good on full candle close above 75 cents, there is no way I'm looking to take it further up. I'm just being realistic here. Because yeah, I know about the bullishness before. In March, I was here buying like crazy, and I got like 2 longs back to back, and both of them were winners. And I'm not even just saying just to say it, here's proof. Boom, 1378, 3 months back. Yeah, let's pull up here. That's where we are. So that's how MLGO is looking like. This is my supply zone. Let me know what is your opinion on that. Bearish from my end. And if you want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month and want to get the free risk-free resources, click the first link below. 1,200 people have already tried it, and it's risk-free. All reviews are 5 stars. Check it out.